My name is Claudio Zion. I'm the general manager of ABN Group from Spain. We at ABN Group in Spain, we are leading the Spanish market, actually with more than 30 years of experience dealing with professionals of the construction industry, mainly dealing with installers, distributors and engineers, having a very long experience with the Spanish and international market in compound, fitting and pipe solutions from thermoplastic materials. And now developing basically sustainable, environmental friendly products and solutions, easy to install. And for this, especially we have on my back, you'll see our INSU PLUS range, which is a pre-insulated pipe, either with a PE jacket or with the aluminium jacket. We hope you come to the booth of ABN Group at Hall 6 at C66, because we can offer you the best solutions for pre-insulated pipes, world new products in our aluminium foil solution, which is very easy to install, saves time, is corrosion free and fire protected.